Is chaos that has been reported from inside the Calcutta High Court, adjourning TMC versus ED hearing. Calcutta High Court has adjourned the hearing in the case. It has been now deferred to the 14th of January is what we know. Both TMC and ED had moved Calcutta High Court in the case, but the hearing has been adjourned because of so much chaos that was seen. There was overcrowding within the court premises, and that's the reason why we understand this matter has been adjourned. These are details that we have with us regarding the latest flashpoint that is now being seen between the BJP and ED on one hand, and between the Trinamool Congress, the Kolkata Police on the other. This has got to do with the investigations concerning IPAC. The matter had reached court, but right now, Shrishti, the Calcutta High Court has adjourned the hearing in this case. Tell us what really happened there.
As we know, both TMC and Enforcement Directorate have approached the Calcutta High Court, and the hearing was scheduled at 2:30. However, the court could not even hear the arguments in the case because of the chaotic situation that had arisen in the court because of the overcrowding and the large number of people present, which is why the court had to defer the hearing to 14th January. So both the pleas would now be taken up by the Calcutta High Court on the 14th of Jan. As far as the ED case in this case is concerned, they've made a big charge against the Calcutta Police, claiming that the Calcutta Police have shown overreach of authority as far as the entire matter regarding raids on IPAC is concerned. They have claimed that the West Bengal Police, in collusion with the West Bengal Chief Minister, has shown a very clear and flagrant disregard of law. There has been forcible theft and removal of documents and digital devices. And also, ED officers were wrongfully restrained and confined by the Bengal Police, is what the ED has claimed before the High Court. On the other hand, we have seen TMC tell the High Court that ED has acted in a very malafide manner, in a very arbitrary manner, and that during the searches that were conducted by the ED, they seized confidential data that belongs to the party pertaining to the 2026 West Bengal elections. According to the party, the political party, election data has no connection with any scheduled offence, any money laundering offence, which is why ED has no business raiding the area or seizing those documents in the first place. However, according to TMC, ED through its raid has shown a very clear violation over the confidential party files. According to them, whatever materials the ED was trying to confiscate in those raids, in the seizure, they have absolutely no nexus, not even a remote nexus to any scheduled offence. It doesn't come under the scope of the Money Laundering Act or under ED's scope of investigation at all. In fact, in a big statement, we have seen TMC claim that ED's actions against IPAC is a mere pretext of investigation that has been adopted only to control the political party's electoral role management and with a clear intent to disrupt the free and fair election process. So we have seen serious allegations coming from both TMC and Enforcement Directorate, and what the Calcutta High Court would have to say on the next date of hearing as far as this case is concerned would be a very, very crucial development that we will know more about on the 14th of January.
You know, at the end of the day, if the matter has been postponed up until the 14th of January, the big question is what next for the ED, because they've sought immediate relief, haven't they, Shrishti? Saying that we need to in fact carry out the investigations in this case. We have our documents that have been snatched away by the TMC. So is there no immediate relief in that sense for the investigating agency?
Yes, definitely. Both the political party and the investigating agency have sought immediate relief. ED has in fact sought action against the police officials and the Chief Minister as well from the Calcutta High Court to the manner in which they have been behaving. As I pointed out, according to them, whatever was done by the West Bengal Chief Minister and in putting out the files and leaving from the location, and also the action by the Calcutta Police, according to the ED, basically equates to theft and illegal removal of digital devices and documents. So they are alleging offences on part of the Chief Minister and also the Calcutta Police. According to them, for whatever has been done on part of the Calcutta Police in this case, basically is overreach of authority and is clear disregard of law, because according to the investigating agencies under the PMLA Act, they have the right to conduct raids and search and seizure as far as money laundering offences under PMLA are concerned. they've also
That's
claimed
right.
that the manner in which the police has acted, the PM has acted, would also be an
Be with us.
interference.
I'm coming back to you, Shrishti Oja, in a moment from now. Anirban, my colleague, was at the Calcutta High Court where the chaos broke out. Anirban, what happened there? The courtroom you're telling us was packed with lawyers and there was a lot of commotion. Those who were not involved in the case were eventually asked to leave, but that also didn't happen. Give us more details.
Adjourning the matter to January.
Well, see what happened when the judge has entered into the courtroom. After that, a chaos erupted inside, and we have seen lots of lawyers, those who are not associated with this case, also inside the courtroom. Judge has asked several times to leave the courtroom, but still after that. Also, the lawyers, those who are associated, they have requested other lawyers and other people to leave the courtroom. But after that, what happened? Chaos erupted, and there is lots of noise. And after that, the judge, Shubhra Ghosh, has warned them several times. But still, after that, there was no retaliation from the others. And after that, what happened? Shubhra Ghosh left the courtroom. And as we have learned from the court itself, that on 14th of January, again, the hearing of this case will happen. And we are yet to hear from the lawyers, as the respondent lawyers, as well as the petition lawyer. We have to watch and see.
That's right. In fact, we'll just come back to you in a moment from now. Anirban Roy also telling us about what really transpired at the Calcutta High Court, where there was a fair amount of confusion. On the right side of your screen, you see these pictures coming in. The Chief Minister, Mamata Bandapadhyay, there from Kolkata. We have these images of the protest that is being led by the Chief Minister and the Trinamool Congress Supremo, Mamata Banerjee, there against the central government, and this time more particularly against the Enforcement Directorate for what they say is a politically motivated case against the IPAC. That's the organization that is working with the Trinamool Congress like it's done in the past as well in the run-up to the elections in the state of West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee leading the protest